Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to explain how to create a new page in the Contao CMS system. The first thing to do is to pick an existing page that is a close match to the one that you want to create. So if I go to this page, Gums, yep, this is pretty close to what I want, to the new page that I want to create. So into the CMS system, click on site structure, and we can see all of our pages here. We can expand to see in them. So here we go. This is the page, Gums, that we said we'd create a new page for. So the easiest thing to do is to copy this page. So click on the plus sign to duplicate the page, and then we need to say where in the menu system this wants to be placed. Well, I want to place it after our existing Gums page. So to do that, I just click the down arrow, which is paste after page. I click that, and it's duplicated that page for me. So I can now call it Gum Cleaning and save the page. And I then need to click the publish button. There. So now we've got a new page after Gums called Gum Cleaning. I can now go into articles and navigate to treatments, care, and here we have a new page, Gum Cleaning. I need to publish both of these content elements here, and then to edit, I can click on content element, and here we have. So this text element here, I need to change to cleaning cleaning gums, and clean gums are essential. Okay, so that's copied our existing page, made a new one, edited some text, and close the text now. If I go back and Gum Cleaning header, I can click the pencil icon here to edit that. Let's see, there's the image here. I can edit that, change selection. I can navigate and pick to and go to a new image and change that. So if we go back to our website, refresh, we can now see that we've got a new page here, Gum Cleaning. I can click on that, and we can see that this page now has the new text that we wanted. And it's as simple as that. So the process is choose a page that has is fairly close to the one that you want to create, duplicate it, edit the text. Simple as. Okay, I hope you find that helpful. Thanks for listening.